Hello everyone. Um, First things first, as you all remember in my last video, well, we're working with voiceover again, just like we always are. That's the first thing I want to get to. Actually, it's raining, so that's the very first thing. As you can tell, it's raining. It's a beautiful rainy day in Argentina. Yes, for those of you wondering. If you did not see my last video, I had mentioned I am not in the United States right now. I am not home. I am in Argentina. Now, the first thing I want to get to is voiceover. Actually, that's what this video is about today. I did not notice this until I saw the video before I uploaded it to YouTube. My iPhone's speakers were being blasted with voiceover sound. So if your phone's speakers are being blasted with voiceover noise, aside from, it's not just like the regular voiceover that's doing it, it's being blasted. It's basically saying the stuff twice. Now, you'll see what I mean once you actually watch the video itself. Let's get out of here.
Wallet selected.
Oh, and my audio feedback has switched to the earpiece only. Now it's not at the bottom speaker anymore, which is
System settings.
good.
Wallet.
Okay, so today on someone's stream, Technology, Gaming, and TTS, Hunter, this is to you, my friend. You showed me a code, and thank you for sending it to me. We're going to be reviewing some codes today. If you're wondering what these are for or what these codes pertain to, I'm not sure, but all I know is they are called Alex codes. As you know, I'm using the Alex voice for this profile, for this video.
App Store.
And so it was I for the last video, for the channel update. If you are not blind and or visually impaired, you're not going to know what I'm talking about. But if you want to pay attention, go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Calendar. Photos and.
I copied and pasted the notes. I copied and pasted all the codes that I was sent, which are only 2 as of now, and I'm even going to put them in the description for those of you that would like to test them. They're basically free to use all you want.
Camera. Mail. Clock. Maps. Weather. Reminders. Notes.
I made them into notes so that we can easily access them, and I'm probably going to keep them there. But I'm probably also going to put them in the description. So.
Podcasts. Apps. Books. News. Stuff. Weather. Map. Clock. Mail. Camera. Map. Weather. Reminders. Notes.
Okay. So. We're just going to take a look at these codes. And I'm going to. They don't really represent anything. At least I don't think so. But if you're in the blind community, or use voiceover in general, and specifically for those of you that use the Alex voice, I even have the Ava voice downloaded as a profile here. So I'm using the English rotor language setting. I'll even show you that once we get to the codes.
Notes. Double tap. Notes.
Okay.
Note. Text field is edited. Add table button. Screen curtained off.
Okay, let me turn off. Okay, there's my screen curtain. You can already see one of the codes. This
Note.
is
Text field is editing. Code 2.
Code number 2. It's going to sound very weird. It's going to sound... This is called the O code, as I see it. If it has another name, please comment in the comment section. And I actually have another assignment for you guys to do later, after the video. So, we're going to listen to this code just a little bit, briefly, because I don't want to mess up the whole content of the video by these codes. But then the other code kind of changes things up, as you'll notice. And I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to fix the voice with once we hear the other code, which is called the iSiren. So be prepared to turn down your volume on your phone, because we're going to play this code. This first code, this is the O code right here.
Add table button.
So here we go.
Note, text field is editing.
Listen.
Code 2.
Okay. That's it. That's all we're going to play out of it. But if we were to play the whole thing, it goes on for at least a minute, and it basically makes the voice sound extremely weird. That did not change anything, as you'll see right now.
Add table but format. Add table. Note, July 20.
See, it's completely normal.
Done button. Done. Note action. July. Note actions. But
This is the one that Hunter sent me. Thank you, Hunter. Now, I showed somebody else in the blind community these notes, or whatever, this code.
notes. Back button. Notes.
I subscribed to him earlier.
Code 2. Dictate. But code 1.
And now that we're going to get to code 1, it's going to sound very different. Let me double tap on it, and you're just going to...
July 21st. Note. Code.
It's going to sound very different. Be prepared. This is the iSiren code. And then after this, I'm going to state my opinion on these.
July 21st. Note. Code 1.
You can tell right away that the voice has changed.
July 20th.
That the intonation of the voice has changed. So that's what I was gonna express to you guys.
Note. Code
Listen.
1.
Okay. So, that code, in my opinion, is much worse than the other one. If you want to test it out for yourselves, I'm going to put those in the description. You can use those all you want. Copy and paste them. I don't mind if you guys copy and paste what's in the description. But we're going to go back to the O code, and I'm going to show you the other assignment.
Notes. Back button. Notes.
The assignment you guys are going to do.
4:03. Code 2. 4:04 p.m.
So,
Code 2.
this is code 2.
July 21st. Note. July 21st. Note. Code 2. Ooh.
And you can tell it sounds just a little bit different. So the assignment you guys are going to have to do is, you see all those letter O's right there? You're going to take those out, and you're going to replace that with the letter A. It's going to require a lot of editing. Basically, you're just going to copy and paste this, and you're going to replace the O with the letter A. Now, let's get out of there.
Reminders. Notes.
Now, here we go for the tutorial on how to fix that choppy voice, the intonation. So we're going to turn off voiceover.
Voiceover off.
Okay? And as soon as we turn it back on,
Voiceover on. Face.
it's back normal. So, I'm going to put those codes in the description. Try them out if you want to. Here's what's going to happen. Tomorrow at 5 o'clock p.m., California Standard Time, the first person who has the assignment completed will get a shout-out in
Calendar. Tuesday, July 21st.
Thursday's video. There won't be anything tomorrow, but on Thursday I'll do an update on this, and then and I'll give you a shout out depending on who comments. That same code, you need to replace. Okay, so it's again, replace the letter O with the letter A. There's a lot of editing to do. It might take you about an hour, but if you can do it, I'll give you a shout out. So, personally, do I like these codes? Well, not really. But I mean, you'd think it's funny the first time you hear it, but after hearing it numerous times, it's just going to sound scary. For those of you who have turned down your volume, you may turn it back up, because it's just me going to be talking throughout the rest of this. There's a few of you in the blind community who probably I know use the Alex voice. Gallagher 123123. I know you're one of them. Riley, the random blind girl. I know you're another one of those people. And anybody who wants to test this in particular. Hunter, I know you were playing around with this today on your live stream. I don't know for how long you've been playing around with it, but thanks for showing this on your stream. And I guess
440. Screen recording.
that will be it.
Screen recording in
Bye,
progress.
everyone. All right, y'all. So there's something I forgot to show you in the first clip. So, let's go back in the notes.
Stock notes.
Actually, before I do that, I'm going to change the rotor setting to the AVA profile.
Language.
English.
There we go. Open it.
Notes. Notes.
Now, I'm going to show you what the codes sound like with the AVA voice. There's actually a lot more than the O, but all Alex reads is the letter O. So for those of you who are sighted, yes, you might have been the first ones to notice that there's a letter P in there.
July 21st. Note. July. Note. Code 2. Oopus 100. Reg 300. Oopus 1. U. Text field.
It doesn't really do anything. It's just a regular. It doesn't sound anything like whatever. Now this was
Note. Code 2.
Code 2.
Notes. Back but. Notes. Actions available. Code 2. Code 1. July 21st. Note. Toolbar. Note actions. But. July 21st. Note. Code 1. Bass 100. Reg 0. Mod 0. Or text feed.
Okay, right there it does sound a little bit funny. And that's because it's using the AVA voice. I have a bunch of other voice profiles installed on my iPhone.
Notes. Note. Or
Okay, whatever. Y'all can see that right there.
Notes. Notes. Folders.
But yeah, that's what I was going to show you. That's what I forgot to show you in
4. Screen.
in the first clip. I'm out of here for now. Bye.